Have you ever felt like building an online business is kind of
Yeah.
like walking through a jungle blindfolded?
Oh, totally. It's so easy to get lost in all the
Yeah,
noise.
you get overwhelmed by like all the tools and all the resources out there.
Absolutely. There are just so many options, and it's tough to know where to even begin.
Exactly. And that's why I'm so excited about this deep dive
Oh, yeah.
into this online business toolbox.
I love this thing. It's amazing.
It's like they went through every single resource out there
Pretty much.
for building a business online, and they put it all together.
In one place.
So you don't have to.
Exactly.
Yeah, and the best part is
That's that.
it's all organized. It's broken down by category.
Yeah, it's super user-friendly.
So like if
Yeah.
you're just starting out, you're thinking, okay, I need a domain name.
Right?
They have a whole section
Uh-huh.
on domains and business email.
And it makes such a difference. Having a professional online presence right from the start is so important.
Yeah, so you want to make sure you look legit.
Exactly. First impressions matter, right?
Totally. And then, of course, there's web hosting.
Oh, yeah. That can be a tricky one.
Yeah.
For sure. But the toolbox simplifies it. They break down the different types of hosting available and list providers that cater to different needs.
So you don't have to be like a tech wizard to figure it out.
Not at all.
Awesome. So once you've got your domain and your hosting sorted,
Then comes the fun part.
you got to build the website.
Yeah.
And this toolbox has a whole section on,
Page builders.
yes. And these tools are seriously amazing.
Yeah.
You can create a beautiful website without even knowing how to code.
It's like magic. You just drag and drop elements and customize everything to your liking.
It's so easy. And then what I love is
Yeah.
they have a whole section on lead magnets.
Oh, yeah. Lead magnets are essential for growing your email list.
Absolutely.
Yep.
And the toolbox has some really creative tools for making those irresistible offers.
That people can't help but sign up for.
Right. And then once you've got those leads coming in, you need a way to stay in touch with them.
That's where email marketing comes in.
Yes. And this toolbox has a killer section on email marketing platforms.
They've got all the big names, and they give you a rundown of the pros and cons of each one.
So you can choose the platform that's the perfect fit for your business.
Exactly.
It's so helpful.
It really is like having a personal guide for your online business journey.
I know, I love it. So we've covered the basics like domains, hosting, website building, lead magnets, and email marketing.
But there's so much more to explore in this toolbox.
Oh yeah, we're just getting started. Stay tuned because we're about to dive into some even juicier stuff.
I can't wait. So now that you've got people on your email list and you're connecting with them.
You're going to want to start selling something, right?
Right. That's where this whole section on shopping carts and affiliate platforms comes in.
Ah, yes. Got to have those shopping carts.
Yeah, they've got options for like everything.
So whether you're selling like physical products or digital downloads or even promoting other people's products as an affiliate.
Exactly. The toolbox covers it all.
Amazing. And then, of course, you need a way to actually take payments.
Oh, yeah. That's crucial.
So they've got a section on payment gateways.
Right. The trusted ones, the ones that integrate seamlessly.
Yeah, so you can make sure your customers have a smooth and secure checkout experience.
Absolutely. Now let's talk content.
Right.
This toolbox has a whole section on AI writing and research assistance.
Whoa. AI is taking over everything these days.
It's amazing though, right? Like you can use these tools to generate ideas, write faster.
Even like proofread and edit your writing.
It's like having a virtual writing partner.
Yeah, and it's not just about the words.
No, visuals are just as important.
Which is why I love that they have this whole section on stock images and graphics.
Ah, yes. High-quality visuals can really elevate your brand.
Totally. And they've got both free and paid options so you can find something that fits your budget.
Yeah, and some of these tools even make designing your own graphics super easy.
I know, it's awesome. And then, get this.
What?
They even have a section on AI image generators.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's wild. You can basically describe what you want, and the AI will create it for you.
That's incredible. I gotta check that out.
I know, right? Okay, moving on to another essential aspect of running a business online.
Customer support?
Yes, got to keep those customers happy.
Exactly. And the toolbox has a whole section on tools for communication and support.
So like email, video conferencing, even stuff for creating forms.
It's all there. And speaking of annoying things, spam.
Ugh, the worst.
But don't worry, the toolbox has got you covered.
They have a spam filter.
They do. They highlight a solution specifically for filtering out spam comments on your blog.
Oh, thank goodness. And then there's this other thing that I always struggled with.
What's that?
Affiliate links.
Oh, yeah, those long, ugly links.
Exactly.
But the toolbox mentions a solution for that, too.
They do.
Yep. affiliate link cloaking.
Oh, that's right. Make them look all pretty and professional.
Exactly. And it can actually help increase your click-through rates, too.
Nice. Okay, so now that we've covered all these awesome tools...
we need to talk about organization.
Ah, yes. Staying organized is key when you're running a business.
Absolutely. And the toolbox recommends some really cool mind mapping and diagramming tools.
Oh, yeah. Those are great for, like, brainstorming ideas, planning projects.
Keeping everything straight in your head.
For sure. And then, of course, there's video.
Video is huge these days.
Yeah, it's like the king of content.
Pretty much. And the toolbox has a whole section on video hosting platforms.
So you can choose the one that's right for you.
Whether you're just starting out or you need something more advanced.
Right. And then for those of us who like to create tutorials and stuff, they've got a section on tools for screen capture and screen recording.
You can make quick screenshots or record full-blown video tutorials.
And they even mention some AI video creators.
No way.
Yeah, it's crazy. Like, you don't even need editing skills anymore.
AI is going to take over all our jobs.
Maybe. Just kidding. But seriously, those tools are pretty amazing.
Okay, now let's talk about protecting your content and building a membership site.
Yes. Membership sites are the great way to generate recurring revenue.
Right. And the toolbox lists a bunch of different platforms you can use.
Each with their own unique features and benefits.
It's all about finding the right fit for your business.
Totally. And last but not least, we can't forget about the boring but important stuff.
Bookkeeping and accounting.
Nobody likes doing that.
I know, but it's got to be done.
Thankfully, the toolbox has some recommendations for tools that can make it a little less painful.
You can stay on top of your finances and keep your business running smoothly.
I'm all for making things easier.
Me too.
And if you're like me and use WordPress, you're going to love this section.
What is it?
It's all about WordPress plugins.
Oh, yeah. Plugins are essential.
They can add like so much functionality to your site.
I know. It's amazing what you can do with them.
And this toolbox lists a ton of really handy ones.
So you can kind of like supercharge your WordPress site?
Exactly. I'm telling you, this online business toolbox is incredible.
It is. It really is.
It's like they've thought of everything.
It's like having a personal mentor who's been there and done that.
Totally. They've done all the research and they're sharing all their secrets.
And it's all for free.
I know. It's amazing. So if you're feeling lost or overwhelmed,
just remember this toolbox is here to help.
It's like your roadmap to success.
Start by checking out the different categories.
Figure out what areas you need help with.
And then dive into the specific tools that resonate with you.
You don't have to do everything at once.
Take it one step at a time.
Experiment and see what works best for your business.
That's the beauty of it. There's no right or wrong way to use this toolbox.
And the best part is, like I said, it's totally free.
Seriously?
Yeah. You can download it right now.
Where do I find it?
The link is in the description below.
Awesome. I'm going to go grab it right now.
Me too. So go ahead, download the Online Business Toolbox and start building your dream business today.
Don't wait another minute.
Thanks for joining us on the List Maximalist podcast.
We'll catch you next time.